chemical symbols are all around us. We just know how to look at them and learn what they mean. Every element in the periodic table of elements have chemical symbols to represent that same element. Those have atomic numbers and masses and stuff like that. But today I'm going to teach how to recognize all around you, the common things you see that have chemical symbols. So you'll know that they're all around us. Take, for example, the onion. Do you see the onion? Point to the onion. That is an onion. This is an onion. Spell onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. O-N-I-O-N. Now, we're going to study the chemical symbol for nickel. N-I-C-K-E-L. Which chemical symbol, the element nickel, has a chemical symbol of capital N and small I. Now, the best way to remember this is the onion. You point it to the onion, and we know how to spell it. O-N-I. Well, you know how. Wait, I'll show it to you right here. Onion. See here? O-N-I-O-N. And now we're going to rewrite it according to the periodic table of elements. We know how to spell it, but how do we put it in the format of the periodic table of elements? We have to redo it, don't we? So we take the capital O, an onion here, and we keep it a capital O. We take the N and make that into a capital N and a small I for that chemical symbol. Then we take the O again, like we did here, and we're going to capitalize it. Then we're going to take the small n and we're going to capitalize it. And we got onion. Now, what does that mean? Well, capital O is for oxygen. Capital O-X-Y-G-E-N. Then we got capital N and a small I for nickel. Capital N-I-C-K-E-L. Then we got another O over here, a capital O for oxygen. Capital O-X-Y-G-E-N. Then we have an N, a capital N, which is for nitrogen. Capital N is for nitrogen. Capital N-I-T-R-O-G-E-N. So you see, it's all around us. You see, just look at an onion and point to it and say to it, onion, and then spell the onion, and then put in the chemical symbols. And then you're learning how to memorize and see chemical symbols each and every day. And the more you do this, the more the mind is going to be, it's going to pick up the habit of doing it. Even when you don't want to do it, your mind will do it. As soon as you see an onion, as soon as you see a banana, as soon as you see a floor, as soon as you see anything that has to do with chemical symbol, whatever it is, your mind will automatically, like a parakeet, boom, go into mode of interpreting all these words and objects into chemical symbols. Believe me, it's true. I've done it, and it's not easy. Okay? That's how it is. You got to keep it up. If you don't keep it up, what happens is that, let's say you study this method I'm teaching, okay? And for a long time, you automatically remember everything. And then for a long time after that, you get lazy and don't want to study anymore. You still have some knowledge. It'll come up easily. Some of these chemical symbols. You know, my method. But then you start to forget little by little, and then you have to do it again. But it'll stay with you more and more the more you do it. However, it will come to you automatically for a long time, whether you exercise it or not. It's just the way the brain is. Automatically, it adapts to the new strategy of learning chemical symbols. So that's the periodic table of elements. Nickel is the element. Capital Ni is the chemical symbol for nickel. And if you want to know the atomic number, oxygen is 8 atomic number. And capital N, and a small I for nickel is 28 atomic number. Oxygen, capital O again, is 8. And nitrogen, capital N for nitrogen, is atomic number 7. And here, if in case you want to learn it, right here. Okay? But here's the chemical symbols for onion. Portrait onion and say onion, O-N-I-O-N. And then say capital O, oxygen. Capital N, small I, nickel. Capital O, oxygen. Capital N, nitrogen. So you gotta say when you see an onion. And you see it works. Okay? Keep doing that, and your brain will pick it up. Okay? All right. Have a good day. Over and out.